guys, I'm Ms. Laura Shield. I'm in my second internship. Almost done, thank goodness. Um, I am doing my placement at group therapy place that has people that 55 and older come in and do group therapy. It's something that we have people that are bipolar, um, hallucinations, grief, anything that just really hits people when they're older. Um, it's it's so nice to work with these people, and they're all so many different characteristics that you just it's unbelievable what you get. The challenges I do have is trying to identify what type of personality or bipolar or just because people are all over the place. It's kind of hard for me to figure out who's bipolar, who is personality disorder, anything like that. So I'm getting better, but I still have a lot to learn. The one thing I have learned is people deal with things, even though they're 55 or 60 or 80 or whatever, they're still dealing with a lot of trauma they had in their childhood, and that's just continued throughout their life, and it just boggles my mind that they're still reeling from all that trauma. And I love helping them through the troubles and the way they think that their life has got to be downhill when it's actually uphill for them. I just it's an awesome placement, and I'm so glad I'm here. So thank you so much for listening. Thanks. Bye bye.